So, welcome for today's class of Pedagogy of School subject General Science 08 B.Ed first year paper 107 for Pune University. It is notes. I will be giving you all the notes on Unit 2. Today, so let us start. So, please note if you all are not aware of the previous classes, lectures, if you all have not watched, in that I have clearly mentioned I will be giving you all only the notes, no explanation. Okay, I'm not giving you all the explanation, I'm only providing you all the notes. Okay, and today's continuation of the notes is on planning, organizing, and maintaining general science laboratory from Unit 2. It is from Unit 2. Okay, in the playlist, in the description, you will get a link of the playlist. Okay, in which playlist I have put all these notes. So take down this. This is a place in school which provide control condition in which scientific experiments can be carried out by students individually or in a group. Okay, science laboratory is an integral part of teaching learning in science. Next, what you'll have is significance of science laboratory. Okay, the first point is students can perform various experiments to verify theoretical knowledge. It develops experimental skill among the student. It creates interest for science subject. Student understand concept truly, thoughtfully, and it develops scientific attitude, problem solving capacity among the students. So let me turn the page. So continue. Next point is it provides good platform for the integration of theory practices in science. It also develops observation and inference skill. Thus, the teaching learning process of science becomes effective due to science laboratory. Next is planning. Okay. For higher secondary school, there are 3 separate science laboratories for physics, chemistry, and biology, but in high school, there is generally only one science laboratory. Sometimes it is used as lecture hall cum laboratory. This room should be 40 to 45 feet in length and 25 feet in width for a class of 40 students. It should have adequate windows for sunlight and exhaust fans for proper ventilation. There should be provision of large wall blackboard along with a table nearby for teacher. Walls should be painted with white color or distemper for better and cleaner surface. Concrete floor or cement slabs can be used. Next point you all can take down. 2 doors should be provided for laboratory. There should be storage faculty like racks, cupboards, etc. to store instruments, apparatus, and chemicals. Chemicals should be accurately labeled. There should be sufficient space for student movement while conducting experiments. Teachers' tables should be kept in such a place from where teachers can observe all other students. According to need and faculty, supply of water should be arranged. There should be a sink near each table. Along with these basic faculties, there should be photos of scientists, charts, and instruction displayed in the laboratory. Next, what we have is the organization. Laboratory assistant who is science graduate should be appointed, who will take care of stock table, timetable, and attendance. There should be sufficient table, chair, and cupboards along with shelves. There should be proper coordination between school timetable and laboratory timetable. Next, what we have is instructions should be properly displayed on laboratory notice board. Scientific charts, models, specimens, and other teaching aids should be in adequate number. Teachers as well as students should know about storage of apparatus, chemicals, etc. There should be fixed place to each and every item, otherwise laboratory cannot be organized properly. Next what we have is maintenance. Okay, quality apparatus should be purchased, otherwise probability of getting accidents, okay, will increase. All equipment and apparatus should be kept on the racks by which students can, I hope you all can see these notes clearly, okay, in which students can make use of them immediately whenever needed. Keep heavy item in lower parts of cupboards. Chemical and reagents which are frequently used should be placed on working table racks. Next what we have is all the container of chemicals should have proper label. After using, everyone should clean the apparatus. Students should be instructed properly about carefully handling the apparatus, handling of apparatus, okay. This to prevent iron apparatus from rusting, it should be greased regularly. Next point is regular polish should be done on the item made up of wood. Any kind of leakage or breakage should be managed timely. Different types of register like permanent stock register, breakage stock register, order register, a requirement register should be maintained properly. Next is there should be first aid box and doctor phone number available in the laboratory. Okay, this you all can take down, available in laboratory it is. Next topic is learning resources in general science. Okay, learning resources in general science, you all can take down all these notes. Learning resources are tangible substances and real objects that provide the audio-visual component necessary for learning. Learning resources are text, videos, software and other materials to meet the expectations for learning defined by curricular learning. Okay, curricular learning resources are the tools or aids which include printed and non-printed media that are intended to supplement actual teaching. They are the actual vehicles by which information is shared with the learners. So let me turn the page. You all can just take a screenshot and start writing these notes. So next topic we have is the classification of learning resources. Okay, it could be classified as electronic and non-electronic learning resources. Non-electronic learning resources are books, handout, chalk and boards, model, chart, etc. While electronic or technological based resources are OHP, computer, internet, etc. There are also different types of audio visual aids. They include aid from the backboard of to the internet. All these resources are very useful in teaching and learning of science. Researchers indicate that the use of audio visual aid facilitate learning. So we have three different learning resources. One is visual aid, audio aid and audio visual aids. In this comes there is projective, non-projective. Okay, in this you can see OHP, film, strip, projector, LCD. Then here under non-projective it is board, graphic material, book, model, doll, play, spaceman and microscopes. In audio aid we have radio and tape recorder. In audio visual aids we have providing direct experiences and providing indirect experiences. It is divided into two. This one is TV, movies and videos, and here it is educational trips, educational exhibition, museum and demonstration. Next part we have is the classification of learning resources, which you all can take down. Okay, according to Dale Cohn of experience, learner retain 10% of what they read. They retain 20% of what they hear and retain 30% of what they see. Okay, learner retain, okay, I can just see from here, learner retain 50% of what they see and hear. They retain 70% of what they see and talk about. while a learner retain 90% of what they talk about and do. Thus, no signal medium is most effective, so be flexible and sometimes combine multimedia approach. A is what? Audio aid. So the first one is radio. So what we have is, it is the primary auditory resource, being only an auditory aid, language and voice. Modulation plays a very important role. Any program on radio related to content, okay, audio related to content with very simple language is proved to be helpful for student to understand it. Next, what we have is the tape recorder. The talk by scientist or teacher educator on a certain scientific topic can be recorded and then reproduced in the class when required. We can use this number of times. Audio visual aid, providing direct experiences, educational trips we have. It plays an effective role in learning science by providing first-hand knowledge and direct experiences, and also develops interest. The places such as industries, workshop, mill, power station, dams, forest, historical places can be selected for visit. This is also called as field trip or excursion. Educational exhibition. In science fair we can see many kind of exhibitions. Sometimes there are three-dimensional working model, a series of photographs and charts. Investigatory science project done by student can be displayed in school as science exhibition. Next we have the museum. These are the places where items and models are assembled, protected and studied. Student can visit science museum. There is a big scope of displaying of specimen and object along with models. Next what we have is the demonstration. This is essentially a process of observing. It is used to show how something is done. When it is followed by doing on a part of student, it becomes very much meaningful. It is helpful to clarify the demonstration are not only use of apparatus, but it can be accomplished with chalkboard, slide or motion picture to clarify abstract idea. Next we have is the audio visual aids, providing indirect experiences like TV. Many educational TV program include series of science program. This program are integrated with a school syllabus based on the principle of direct teaching. Then what we have is movies. Movies related to education are more effective and interesting as it utilizes both auditory and verbal sense. It makes scientific concept clear, durable, meaningful. Let me turn the page now. You all can take down these notes. And realistic. Thus, entertainment device can be successfully used as an education device for teaching various fact, definition, principle and descriptions, etc. of science. Videos. Next is videos. It is a media which engage students from multiple sense, sight and sound. Can generate excitement about a subject. Students enjoy an experience and retain more information. Example, in classification of animals, different videos of various animals can be shown to a clear concept. Okay, just take down these notes. Okay, I hope it is, you can see this clearly. Next is books. It is written and printed material. We can get content related information in books. It includes diagram, chart, pictures, example, textbooks. Next what we have is the internet. It provides huge amount of information related to content. Students can exchange study material by using email. Student can participate with other around the world by using web based technology. Okay, you all can just take down these notes. Next we have is encyclopedia. It is a set of books which provide different type of information about places, things, people, plant, animal, event, idea, etc. It is organized alphabetical. Okay, alphabetical order. Okay, you can just see to this. Okay, organized alphabetical order. Articles in encyclopedia summarize basic facts and information. Student can find information easily with the help of guidelines given in encyclopedia. Some learning resources other than above classification which can provide direction, I think it is which can provide direct experiences are given below, that is aquarium. Okay, so I can just take down these notes. It is water. Okay, it is water filled glass enclosure in which aquatic animals and plants are kept. Acts as an artificial habitat of a water dwelling animal and plant. It can be kept in school. Student can observe and study aquatic plants and animals. It provides information about aquatic life to students. Next, what we have is the science laboratory. In this, what happens is, this is a necessary learning resources for students as well as teachers in the study of science, as it provides detailed information about theoretical part in textbook. It develops experimental skill, observation skill, interest about science in students. Okay, I can just write down this. Next, moving towards the next page. Okay, what we have is continuation of this thing. It is, student can perform various experiments in laboratory under the guidance of teacher. Teachers also demonstrate hazardous experiment in the laboratory for better understanding of students. Next we have is botanical garden. Botanical garden, okay, it is a garden dedicated to the collection, cultivation and display of a wide range of plant label and their botanical names. Students can study diversity of plants. They can observe actual rare species of plant here. They can study pollination, fertilization, etc. topics in botanical garden. Okay, I hope you can see this clearly. I can just take a screenshot of it and start writing these notes. Next, what we have is the Science Museum. It is an institution that collects, display and conserves object having scientific interest. School can arrange field visit to Science Museum. This visit can complement and reinforce science school curriculum. It also provides an ideal way to encourage students to have fun while learning. Okay, just see to it. Next, what we have is the research centers. These are the institute where researchers are done. Visit to research center will provide a lot of information about research work, how it is carried on and what it is, the methodology of research, which are recent researches in science. This can develop curiosity and interest in student mind for research work. They can get a very variety of resources like books, website and experts around the globe. Okay, just take down these notes. Next topic will be, okay, today this notes you all can take down, okay, and this will be, today I'll stop from here. In the next class I will be giving all the notes on compactnesses of general science teacher. The notes I will continue from here. Okay, that will be in the next class. So today till here it is enough, and thanks for watching. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates, and for more information just follow this channel, and thanks for watching.